Imagine walking into your local clinic in 2026. Not for a vaccine, not for surgery, but to edit your DNA. A new law says it's mandatory, a standardized genetic protocol to eliminate inherited diseases, and maybe more. If the state can rewrite your biology for the greater good, what remains of personal freedom? Tonight, we're exploring the end of biological privacy. Gene editing once sounded like science fiction, but CRISPR-Cas9 changed everything. Developed and refined by scientists like Jennifer Doudna, this technology allows precise modifications to DNA. In the early 2020s, CRISPR began treating rare genetic disorders. By the mid-2020s, clinical applications expanded. Now the debate isn't whether we can edit genes. It's whether the government can require it.
Let's start with the state's argument. Governments already mandate public health interventions. Vaccines, quarantines, sanitation standards. If we can eliminate hereditary diseases before birth, isn't it irresponsible not to? Consider the economic argument. Genetic diseases cost billions in long-term healthcare. A standardized DNA protocol could reduce suffering, increase life expectancy, lower healthcare spending, boost national productivity. And here's the geopolitical angle: if rival nations engineer healthier, smarter populations, can a country afford not to compete? In a biotech arms race, neutrality might mean decline.
Now the counter-argument. Your DNA is the most intimate form of identity. It's not just medical data, it's you. Mandatory editing crosses a line from public health into biological governance. Today it's disease prevention. Tomorrow, intelligence optimization, aggression reduction, compliance enhancement. Who defines what counts as a defect? History shows us that when states define biological standards, the results can be catastrophic. And then there's surveillance. If your genome is stored in a national database, is biological privacy officially dead? Freedom once meant freedom of speech. In 2026, does it mean freedom of genetic integrity?
This isn't just domestic policy. If one major power mandates gene editing, others may follow. Not out of ideology, but fear. Biotech becomes strategic infrastructure, like nuclear energy or AI. Corporations partner with governments. DNA becomes national capital. We move from the information age to the genomic age. We may be witnessing the birth of a new social contract. In exchange for longer, healthier lives, do we surrender biological autonomy? Is collective genetic security worth personal genomic freedom? Or is this the quiet beginning of engineered conformity? The question isn't whether gene editing is coming. The question is, who controls it? Team liberty, or team stability?